solved, sir.
Hello, can you hear me?
So, can I ask one question, please? I mean, is this related to HSE? If this is not related to HSE, probably we can highlight this point somewhere else, because
That's what I'm saying.
We are talking about
what
the
I'm saying,
PHSER.
because yeah, correct.
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, just a minute. So if this recommendation is challenging your project health, safety and environment, then better we keep it here. If it is not challenging your health, safety, environment, so probably we can highlight this point somewhere else. I will leave on Niaz, I will leave it on Bobolo, and I will leave this point on Khalid to take decision. If you feel that this point is important on HSE aspect, then we can keep it here, or otherwise we can move somewhere else.
Mr. Khalid, if you allow me, I would like to put write something here. See, Shaman, this is first of all, this has to do with the design, and this will impact the functionality of the system or the reliability of the system. Or it does not have effect on the system. If it have effect on the system, okay, it can result to any upset of the system, right? Or it can lead also to tripping, which can invariably lead to potential health and safety concern. So you cannot take it out. Look at your SAFO. We have points from SAFO that relates to the design and the execution of the project, right? So this is applicable actually.
So guys, no issues. I think let us keep it here. And let us keep this point Niaz here. Probably you guys can give me decision in next 2 days. But this is an essential point. What Khalid and Bobolo is mentioning, we must address this point somewhere so that this point does not go unnoticed. So for now I think we are okay. I would say that let us go for PHSER 5. And by the time you can decide and let me know. Okay, Khalid and Bobolo, we'll go for PHSER 5.
Yeah, okay.
Guys,